Wisconsin study found more than 400,000 of the state's senior citizens will be living in poverty by the end of the decade.
That could cost the state more than $3.5 billion in public assistance programs. J. Michael Collins is part of a bipartisan task force looking at the issue and ways to fix it.
He's also a professor at the UW Center for Financial Security. Michael, thanks for being with us today.
Thanks for having me.
What's going on here? Why are 400,000 seniors at risk of living in poverty?
You know, it really comes down to the fact that a lot of people don't have an ability to save for their retirement at their workplace. There's almost 1 million employees across the state who don't have a savings plan at their workplace. And so as a result, you get to retirement with just Social Security, and Social Security was never designed to be enough to support people. And so the more we have this aging generation without any retirement savings, the more they're going to end up really having a hard time making ends meet.
Yeah, it's a very complicated problem, but what are some of the potential solutions?
Well, the task force it's a bipartisan task force. We've been meeting for almost 2 years, for a year and a half, multiple different times, and came up with a series of recommendations. But the centerpiece is this idea of a new program called Wisconsin Saves. And basically, if an employer doesn't offer a retirement plan, it would give employees a way to automatically be enrolled in a savings plan. It would be a plan sort of shared across employees. It would be owned by the employee, but hopefully by getting lots of employees across the state together, we'd be able to lower the cost. So it would be affordable even for somebody who worked for a small company who maybe didn't have a big plan.
So this is for people that are still working.
That's right. I mean, I think the best thing we can do at this point is try to encourage more people to have savings. It's never too late. Even people in their 50s oftentimes catch up. And so the more we can do this, the more people can be ready by the time they're ready to retire.
It seems like a little bit of a perfect storm, though, because the cost of living keeps going up, wages are flat, and if you retire early, then you risk losing more money in your Social Security. So you're really in a pickle if you're getting older and still working, right?
It's true. You know, we are seeing more and more older people sort of work a little bit, retire a little bit. You know, they might wait to claim Social Security until a later date, until they can get a larger amount. So it is, you know, it isn't as easy as maybe as it used to be when you maybe had a pension at your employer, you worked for the same place for a long time. Now people are doing a mix of working and saving and really trying to make a plan to get through.
Well, at least we are aware of the problem, and there are some solutions hopefully down the road. Michael, thanks for being with us today.
Thank you.